The next type of SQL query that we are going to discuss is the subquery. A subquery is a SQL query which is nested inside a larger query. In other words, we can say that a subquery is a query within another query. A subquery may occur in a select clause, a from clause, a where clause. The subquery can be nested inside select, insert, update or delete statement or inside another subquery. This means that you can have a subquery within another subquery. There are basically three types of subqueries. Single row subqueries which return a single row as a result. Multiple row subqueries which return a set of rows as result. And the third one are the correlated subqueries. It is to be mentioned that only single row subqueries can use comparison operators. Now we are going to run an example for the subquery. So here I have a query where I am selecting all the records from the dealership table as D, where D.net annual sales, which means that this dealership table has a column called net annual sales that I am selecting, and it should be greater than, and here is our subquery, which means that I have used a query within another query. This was my main query and this is a subquery which is select max sales from auto upgrades table. So what this subquery is going to do is it is going to select the maximum value of sale from the auto upgrades table, and then it is going to return that maximum sale from this subquery. Then that maximum sale will be compared to the net annual sale for each row in the dealerships table, and for each row whose net annual sale value is greater than the max value will be returned in the result set. Now let's execute the query. Here you can see that this result set contains the location, net annual sales and number of female employees for all the rows whose net annual sale value is greater than the max value of sales from the auto upgrades table.